trying to take cover underneath this lovely tree here.
Just beautiful. Smooth as silk. It's just performing absolutely fantastic. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness.
Say hi, Colton.
Difficult when you get up on the top. And
I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to you guys. You guys is what keeps this going. You guys is what allows me to go participate in some amazing things. And every single trip that I take, I'm bringing you guys along. And I'm always keeping that in my mind, that what amazing places can we go together that I can show you. So thank you so much for supporting me and DB Overland. It truly means a lot. It really does. It was an amazing year, and I couldn't have done it without you. So until next time, we'll see you guys out on the trail, and we'll see you guys in 2025.